It's Monday morning after our wee holiday up north. So now I'm going to get back into this building these decks. So I'm just going to remove all the braces and so I can get in there and get stuck in. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, and then we'll put the bearers in, the joist in, and then we'll get some decking. Okay, so I'm obviously going to leave a few of the braces in on the top. So with the pine it tends to move about a bit if you don't brace it properly, so we're just going to leave those top ones in and it'll support it while I get my deck built. So we'll see how we go. There, I've got all the braces off now, so now I'm just going to remove all the pegs and get rid of all the lower boards, stack them in my pile there of timber, and hopefully they'll stay straight until I need them for the front deck. So I'll just do that now. Right, what day is it? Tuesday. Been instructed to say what day it is when I'm recording by the boss sitting behind me. See, there she is, keeping an eye on me. Right, Tuesday, putting the deck together, joists, bearers, and so we're going to be into it. We're going to put bearers bolted to the side of all these piles, and I've got my stainless steel bolts because it's engineer designed, bolted. All the bearers are bolted to the piles, and yeah, and then we're going to be into it. Okay, this is my timber for the front deck and ramp. It's all SG8, planer gauge 8 3.2, and so I'm just gonna, the 140 by 40s are the bearers and the 90 by 45s are the joists. So we'll open that up and we'll get into it. Read the book.
Book of code?
3604. It's about bearers. Gotta make sure I get them right. Right, these are my bearers. This is one of them. They're going to be going on the side of the piles bolted through. So another one on the side of that. Let's get into it. Rightio. Bearer one first piece in. Put away. Rightio. I'm getting the bearer laminated up here. So they're bolted on the side as per the engineer's design with bolts coming into here on each post, and you can see it's getting laminated up now, so it's got to finish off both ends and then that'll be all laminated up, and then we'll get the bolts done later. Yeah,
One bearer almost done.
one bearer almost done, another one there, and that's the big one's done, and then another couple over there. So yeah, cool. Okay, first laminated bearer in place. apart from the bolting, I've just got it all nailed there. So we're still going to put our bolts through here and through here. All the junctions have bolts. So when it's on the side like this, it needs bolts. So yeah, I'll just get it all tacked up and I'll do all the bolts all at once. I'll get this one here going now, and the same again. One four oh five. 1405. Clean up that cut there.
New hammer.
Oh, nails. I'm putting in the Building King nails here, not the Palisade ones, so we'll just see how we go. Oh, come on. Here we go.
Worked.
I thought they weren't going to go for a minute. That's good. Let's chuck this other one up, Jill. Two bearers done. Well, apart from the bolts. And then the joists will go in across like this, but they'll be the 100s. So hopefully it'll line up pretty nicely. We should have 90 plus 20 is 111. Yep, we're spot on there.
Perfect.
So now we're going to put some bearers across these ones, across here. Where's the short ones are going to go in? These two in, these two bearers in, and now we're going to put these ones, the shorter ones in, and that's a ramp going up there. But I'll put these in first. So these are on this side of the pile and this side of the pile, so that's the two, and then I've got to work out the height for the ramp. These drop down, so it's going to be tricky getting bolts through that way and that way at the same level. I don't know quite how I'm going to do that yet, but we'll just work that out. So that's the next two, this one and that one. Okay, and do it.
Thank goodness for plans.
Great plans. Right, let's get it off. Yeah, as you can see, these are the bearers for the second one set, so that will come into there, laminated up, two of them, bolted through. And this is the problem we're going to have. We're going to have bolting going that way, and we're going to have bolting going that way, all in one post, so it's going to be a little bit congested in there as far as bolts. And this is the other one. I'm going to go up here, through there, bolt onto that post, and then the rest of it all goes down the ramp at 1 and 12, which I've got to work out yet. So I'll get these cut and then we'll do it. 654. One in. This one. Cut that one off. Good. See two more of those and hit my head. And then done. that's all the easy bearers done. Now we're going to do the ramp, and these ones will drop down according to the slope of the ramp. So that's the next challenge.
Some calculations to be done.
Yes, I'm going to use ChatGPT, I think. Well, it's 12 along, 1 down. So I've just got to measure a 1 in 12 slope. I've asked ChatGPT for this. And for a 1 in 12 slope, I've got 5517 millimeters in length of ramp. And I've asked it what would I need to drop for a 1 in 12 slope, and it says drop equals 5517 divided by 12 equals 459.75 millimeters drop. So 460 millimeters. So now I'm going to measure down 460 millimeters from where the bearer is now. We've got that level marked, and that should give me 1 in 12, right?
So it's just done a basic calculation for you.
Very basic, but it's handy. Okay, so if the bearer was level, would come through here. I have to drop 460 millimeters. Get that 1 in 12 slope for decimal ramp. So 460 from the top of the bearer is there. So that's where the top of the bearer will be for at that point there. So I need to have my bearer in this point here. So here we go. Maybe I'll make it a little bit less to make sure I do get the 1 in 12. Maybe go 400 or something.
You wouldn't want to fail a building inspection.
I think I'd prefer to be flatter than too steep. So let's just go 400 millimeters. That's where my joist is going to be, at the bottom end here, attached on this side.
Still a wee bit of a drop, but a little bit of ground to be built up.
Bit of ground to be built up, but that's okay. And does that align with what the engineer said? Let me go and look. I just want to check what the engineer said too. He said the bearer at the bottom is to go on that side, which is the way I've calculated it.
Oh, all the bearers are on that side, aren't they?
Yeah, all of them on that side. So that should be good. I've gone a little bit flatter than I need, so I think I'm okay.
Back to work then.
Back to work now. Go there. I had a follower commented that my hammer was a bit average. That's it. So you wouldn't believe that what was in Santa's sack this Christmas, a nice new east wing hanger. So thanks for that east wing. So hopefully they live up to their name, and we'll throw the other one out and we'll get the new one into action. Done for the day. Got my bearers in. Got the ramp, as you can see the slopes going up with the bearers. But I am 1, 2, 3, 4 bearers short. So I'm going to have to get some more of that tomorrow. And so as you can see down here, these will be the joists. Coming across, they'll butt into there, and then timber planking on top, which should make it pretty flush to get into there. So yeah, that's tomorrow. I'm going to put these at 400 centres because I'm going to use the 20mm thick decking. So these are going to be 400 centres all the way down there, and 400 centres down the deck here too. So I'll just show you roughly what it's going to look like. So they're going to be 450 centres down here and decking across. So should be pretty good. Rightio. Now we're going to bolt these bearers to this because they're sitting on the side, so they need to be bolted as per the engineer's design. So we're going to put 2 stainless steel M12 bolts in there. So first I'm going to mark off where the bolts need to go. So I'll just draw a line. I'll go this side for you, Jill. There's a line there, and we'll come across the front, and we want 2 bolts in this area. So I'm just going to drill that now with just got a small drill for the job, this thing. So, so hopefully it'll do the business, because I know last time, remember, the drill burnt out, didn't it, Jill? This one's not going to burn out. So here we go. So hope it only just fits in here, this drill.
I reckon.
So centre, a little bit down, and away we go. So now we're going to get a couple of bolts and some washers. Need some more washers, hold on a minute. These are 240 long stainless steel bolts, 316 stainless washers. On they go. There. That one comes through a little bit high, which is not too much of a problem, but not perfect. And this one here, we've got stainless washers going on, bolts, nuts. So that's it. So I'll just tighten those up with a spanner. That's what it should look like.
So how many more of these to go?
68. 68. Buggered. How many bolts have I drilled? Got,
I think you said there was
today,
68.
got 36, about 100 bolts.
Oh,
And
we've just gone and got more bolts actually.
another $400 worth of bolts. So they're all stainless steel, of course. So it's got 3 to go. And then I've got to tighten them all up, line all the washers up so they look lovely. And I did manage to get all the bolts into that one down there, Jill.
Oh,
See how the bolts go both ways?
these ones?
So I've got those on there. So that was quite happy with that.
Oh, I see. Does it matter that your washers aren't straight?
Yeah, square them up.
Or is that just me being a bit...
You want all the washers squared up.
inner Monica coming out there?
Okay, so I'll just get these bolts done. Next job is to put the joists on. And then hopefully have that done today.
And then it'll be dinner time.
Then it'll be dinner time. Yeah. Rightio.
Chicken for dinner.
Chicken dinner. Oh, great. And then out for New Year's Eve. No, we'll be in bed by midnight, I'm sure. Anyway, I'll get back to it. Tightening, so everything's tightened up now. She's only done 105 bolts and it's been an easy job. Isn't it, Joel?
Yeah, it's good to contribute.
Yeah. So we're just starting to put the joists in here. So you can see here they're coming over here. This is the joist that's coming up on the slope. See the slope one comes up, levels off into the deck, and this one goes down. And so yeah, just keep putting those on. This is the perimeter here. I want it to make it look the same as these posts. The other joists will just butt into this. Just use a bit of rough sawn timber there, which I think will look better to hide the ends of the joists.
Oh, you do it all the way down?
No. Joists will... Oh, I could do. I have to think about that.
Alright, so I'm going to call it a day to go into cook tea because it's 5:45 and Kerry's got second wind.
Cool.
The ramp is slowly taking shape. Kerry's putting those bits on.
Got these big joists in. Got to put all the little ones across here, still to go. And then I've got to do the little bits in the middle there where the timber's a bit short. So yeah, we'll keep going until we get them done, I think.
And I still haven't gone in to cook dinner because neither of us were hungry. What's the time? 7:30. Probably should. Rightio, that's all the joists in. So just sorting out this corner here, it doesn't seem to have any support, so I'm going to have to nail this one to the building because it's obviously floating in the middle of nowhere, this corner. So it's made a bit of a block there, and hopefully they'll finish it off, and they're going to do the same down the other end and just complete those joists there with hopefully 2 lengths of timber. Hopefully we can get those 1, 2, 3, 5 lengths out of those 2 lengths. Just a 1 short, I don't know. Anyway, cup of tea time.